Today, I'm going to reveal to you one of the most profitable items I ever sold in my eBay dropshipping store. I'm Paul, and I'm committed to teaching you the exact strategies that I use to build multiple six-figure businesses. These are the same methods that changed my life, and I'm here to show you how they can change yours as well. So this is something I've never done before. I've never shared any of the products I've sold before. And most dropshippers, actually I don't know any dropshippers who do share the products that they've sold before because they're kind of closely held secrets to us. We don't want anyone else coming in and underselling us and selling those products and taking away those sales from us. But full disclosure, I'm sharing this one because it doesn't sell anymore because it's out of stock. But it is a really good learning experience for discovering what it takes to find a really winning product and what that one product can do for your business, because this is the product. This is what I consider the single product that really catapulted my eBay dropshipping success. Because once this product started to take off, that's when I really started to see the potential of eBay dropshipping and what it is that we as dropshippers do and what service we provide to people. So this is the product right here. It is the Kwikset 264 Contemporary Satin Deadlock with lighted keyboard. I practically have that name memorized because I've sold it so many times. I sold it over 100 times very shortly after I started dropshipping. As I said, this product is pretty much out of stock across the internet, but I did find it on Walmart. I used to buy it from Home Depot. As you see, it's out of stock here. It's $78 here. I actually did find it on Lowe's here for $39, but again, it's out of stock. But I know it wasn't $39 when I used to sell it because I actually had to source it from Lowe's once when it went out of stock on Home Depot. And when I did, as you see from the screenshot, can I zoom in on this? That it was $69. And on Home Depot, it was about $75. It was about the same price as Walmart at the time. So what made this product so special when I found it on Home Depot? Well, Home Depot used to have something called they still have something called dynamic pricing, which means that the price on Home Depot of a single product changes depending on the zip code. Not for every product, but for a lot of them. So you might find a hammer on Home Depot that's $39. Well, let's use this as an example. This product in most zip codes was $75, but I played around with this zip code thing, searching for different zip codes, and I found it on Home Depot in one zip code for only $39. So much cheaper than $75. And what I was able to do was then purchase it at $39 when everyone else thought the product cost much more than that. So I sold it on eBay for $68. So $1 less than Lowe's sold it for. So I think I was, besides people who bought it from Home Depot in that one zip code, I think I was selling it cheaper than anyone else on the internet. And that's how I was able to make so many sales with it. And this is what I did. So I would go to that one zip code on Home Depot, purchase it for $39. And at the time, Home Depot was accepting Lowe's coupons, 10% off coupons. So I also received 10% off that order as well. I also bought the item with my credit card, which gave me 2% back. And I was using a cashback website, which I think at the time was between 3 and 5% back on top of that. So for instance, this is the cashback credit card I use. It's the Spark Cash Capital One card. It gives me 2% back on all my purchases. So if I put $100,000 a month on the card, which is a pretty conservative number for me, that's an extra about $25,000 a year extra just from doing that. Here is givingassistant.com. This is the cashback website I personally use and love. And the way this works is you sign up for an account, and I'll have a link to this underneath this video. It will be an affiliate link, but if you sign up with that link, you will get $5 just for signing up through that link. And you find the store you want to shop on here on Giving Assistant, in this case, the Home Depot. Once you signed in, you click this button that says Shop Now. This brings you to Home Depot, just like a regular Home Depot website and you shop on there, but just by using this link, you get up to 8% cash back. For the full terms, you click here, it says 8% on home decor. Most products give you 3% back. 3% back is still a lot though. I mean, if you come in here and we're doing the same amount, it's going to be at least $25,000 a year, more than that because this is for 2%, this calculator. So that adds up as well. This opportunity is still available to you. Price matching is still available. If you find a product on Home Depot and it's $75, but if it's in stock on Lowe's at $39, Home Depot will match that price for you. In addition, if Lowe's has coupons available and you get this down to $35, Home Depot will honor that $35 as well. So a lot of potential there. Also, like I said, discounted gift cards. This is a website that I've used and really like. It's called raise.com. Also have a link to this underneath this video. You can buy discounted gift cards on this website. So you can get, for instance, a Starbucks card for 5% off. Lowe's, here's Home Depot. These little percentages do add up really, really quickly. So this is really why this product was so successful for me, because I found this product and I found a way to sell it cheaper than anyone else while still making a really large profit margin on it. So this is a screenshot from one of my emails I got for this product. You'll see here it is, the 264 series contemporary single cylinder satin nickel electronic deadbolt, $39.88. And the discount of $4.88, that's because they accepted the Lowe's coupon. I got charged sales tax. I wasn't tax exempt back then. If I was, I would have made another $2.50 per product times over 100. You do the math, it would have been a lot of extra cash right there. So the total was $37.45. That's before my cashback credit card and before cashback website. Meanwhile, most websites were selling it for almost $80. So people saw me selling it much cheaper on eBay. It was a deal for them, and I was making a large profit margin on it. So why am I sharing this with you? I want to show you that there is a lot of potential out there. You have to find the products that give you margins like this, where you can come in, get a deal on the product, really do a lot of digging around, and find these special opportunities. Sell these products, because if you find one of them, it can really catapult your business forward. It really shows you the potential of dropshipping on eBay or Amazon. Well, now a lot of the techniques that worked for this product don't exist anymore, but there are plenty of other techniques that do now. Things like discounted gift cards, things like coupons still work, price matching still works. So if this product was in stock on Lowe's, Home Depot would price match it at $39 for you. So that is the service that we provide as dropshippers. We find these deals for people so they don't have to, and we pass along the savings to them while still earning a profit ourselves. So this is kind of funny. In the trailer for the movie Flatliners with Ellen Page, there's a scene where they're going into this locked room and the lock on the door is actually the 264 contemporary satin. It happens in a split second, but when I saw the trailer, I recognized it immediately. So there you go. That's one of my most profitable and popular items I ever sold. Don't try to sell it because it's not in stock anymore, but look for a similar product. Look for one yourself that you can get these high margins on by taking advantage of every money-saving technique that you can. And if you find a product like that, it can really make a huge difference when it comes to your business. All right, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you love it, make sure to subscribe for more quick tips about eBay and Amazon dropshipping, and I'll see you in the next video.